So let's create our action method here. So it's going to be a public, and it can return view result because we will simply want to pass everything into a view. And I'll call it list because it will return the list of all candy and their respective categories. Now the view result is a built-in type of the MVC that, as you can imagine, returns a view. So here we will go to our return statement and we will return a view. And the data we want to return here is all the candy. Now I said that we will also return the respective categories, but for now let's just return the candy, because in order to return both candy and the categories, we will need to create something called view model, so we'll do that later. Right now let's just create a simple view and return all the candy. So as a data into the view, we will go into our candy repository and we will go to our getAllCandy method or property. And that's it. From the repository, we'll get all the candy and return it as data into the view. For now, like I said, we will ignore the category. So we have the model for the candy, we have the controller for the candy, but we still need the view which will display the data from this controller. So let's create that next.